Everyone's talking about AI agents. But what if you could build your own AI mini apps without touching a single line of code? That's exactly what Google Opal does. It turns your ideas into working AI apps just from a description. You simply describe your app and Opal does all the heavy lifting. Today in this video, I'll show you two mini apps that I built using Opal. First, a tool that finds the most trending topics on the social media, and second, a tool that takes any topic and spits out SEO friendly keywords. Hi, I am Ashish and welcome back to Coders Academy. Before we jump in, what is Google Opal? Opal is Google's no-code AI app builder inside Google Labs that lets you create AI mini apps using natural language and a visual workflow editor. You describe what you want. Opal connects the right Gemini tools and models and turns that into a reusable app you can share or remix. No backend, no APIs, no vector DB. Just your idea and a few prompts. Basically, if you can describe it, Opal can build it. If you can't describe it, that's not Opal's fault. To get started, we'll go to the opal.google.com and then we'll sign up using our Google account. So I'm choosing an account and completing the sign-in process. Once you have signed in, okay, I'll say no to receive emails and no for research. Confirm. Once you have signed in, this is the kind of UI that you will be greeted with. There's a gallery of sample apps that you can take a look at. We'll create new. So I have a prompt here. So create an app to track the social media trends from the last week. So it's building the app. Nice. So if you look on the left side, there is a detailed research of all the tools that it will be using to come up with the app. The app is very neat and tidy. It's called Trend Tracker, very minimalist kind of an app. So we'll say discover prominent social media trends, start. So enter the time period. I'll say last week. Specific topic, I will choose Labubu, the famous toy. Notice the processing animation on the left. Yeah, so here is the final application result. So there is a summary. Labubu is a collectible plush toy. The key aspects of the particular toy that is very popular on the social media and the references along with the time period. So we'll go through it. We'll go up. There's some criticism of this particular toy, blind box model. It's ugly, cute, aesthetic. You can pause the video and go through the details. High in demand, good resale market, widespread social media engagement. So Labubu has amassed 1 million posts on TikTok globally and other details. Opal turns your what should I post today panic into a structured list. A perfect therapy for creators that is completely automated. In a second demo, we will create an app that will take a blog post as a topic as an input and give out the SEO friendly keywords. So here is my prompt. You can pause the video and go through it. Okay, so create an app, additionally provide a brief explanation of each keyword of why it is effective and hit enter. So like before, it has given you tools that will be used on the left side and the app on the right side. So I've entered the name here as Hicksfield. So I'll say what is Hicksfield AI. So people who have not watched my earlier video, it was about Hicksfield AI. Notice the processing on the left. Yeah, so it has come out with a response. Let's go through the response from top to bottom. It talks about what is Hicksfield AI. some explanation, and the SEO keywords with the brief explanation of why those are effective. Now, understanding the search landscape for AI video generation, top SEO keywords, what is Higgsfield AI? It's Higgsfield AI explained. Yeah, the term explained indicates strong information content generation, generative video AI platform, AI video creation, cinematic AI video generator, image to video AI, AI camera controls, then video animation AI. You can pause the video and go through the explanation, and then AI for filmmakers. So it's like having a tiny SEO consultant who never sends you an invoice and never says it depends. Opal is not another chatbot. It's designed to build reusable AI apps, things you can run again and again, share it with your friends, or remix it later. For creators, it could mean automating trend discovery, standardizing tasks like SEO keyword generation, or building mockups in minutes rather than weeks. So if you have been waiting for a middle ground between just prompting a model and building a full-fledged app, Opal lives exactly in that sweet spot. If you have found this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And drop a comment telling me what Opal app you'd build first. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.